Who are you?
I'm your phone, Sam. Sam's phone.
Oh. The last Sam's phone I had was a Nokia 8210.
What?
Yeah, I loved that phone. Charge lasted a week. He put it in the pocket of his jeans, didn't look weird. Beautiful.
That dumb bitch. Look at me. I'm smart. I'm beautiful. And what do I do for you? List it.
Music, movies, Candy Crush, Grand Theft Auto. I'm top level, actually. And you're even a telephone.
Mm-hmm. See? And I'm yours.
There were a few in between, you know.
I don't want to hear about those sluts. The 3, the 5, the 8.
Yeah.
I'm glossier. I'm smarter.
Yeah, I know, of course you are.
And where have you been?
I was just up for 10 minutes, that's all. Just, getting some essentials.
10 minutes. 10 long minutes. What do you say, Sam, when you leave the house?
Keys, wallet, phone.
Louder.
Keys, wallet, phone.
Yes, and what did you forget?
I forgot you.
Yeah, you bloody did. When we first got together, you said we'd never be apart. Listen to me, think very carefully. What might have happened in those 10 minutes? Kardashians could have had another baby. Ariana Grande, she could have dropped a single. Trump could have bombed Beijing for ratings. Yeah, the supermarket could have got new loo paper, anything.
I know.
Did you get it?
Yeah, it was a mistake.
Yeah, big mistake.
I know, it won't happen again.
Yeah, promise.
I promise.
Good.
I don't know what I was thinking. My agent might have called with a job for 2025 or something. Did he call?
No. Anyway, what do I care? Down to 6%.
Oh, God, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you should be, Sam. Now charge me, Sam. Charge me. Now,
Yeah, of
Sam.
course.
Charge me,
Of course.
baby.